morning, students. Good morning, students. Today we see the meta tag in HTML. This is in chapter 1, Advanced Web Designing. Okay. Before we going to learn about the meta tag, first we see what is the meaning of the keyword meta. Okay. Meta means information about the data. It means it contains information about the something. Okay. Next meta tag. Okay, the meta tag in HTML provide information about the HTML document. It means that meta tag provides information about your web page or your website. Means whatever website or web page you have to create, about that all information is provided by the meta tag. Next, in simple word, it provides important information about document. Important information about the document means what? Means information about your website or web page or your document. Okay, these tags are used to describe properties of HTML document such as expiry date, author name, list of keywords, etc. Means this meta tag is used to provide the information about your expiry date of web page or website. Also it provides information author name, who is the author of your web page. Again, list of keywords means what? Which keywords you have to use on your web page. That all keyword list is provided by meta tag. Okay, means it doesn't provide any information about coding of your web page or color, which color you have to use for web page. That information is not provided by meta tag. Only about expiry date, author name, list of keywords, like that information is provided. Again, this tag is called empty tag because it has only opening tag. You know, empty tag means what? Which tag does not have closing tag. Means meta tag is also have only opening tag. It does not have closing tag. You know, in HTML 90% tags are have opening also closing tag. But which tag doesn't have closing tag? That is called a singular tag or empty tag. Next, it carries information within its attribute. Means what? Meta tag does not have closing tag, so to store information in meta tag, he have to use the attributes like name and content. Here see one example. Meta name is equal to keyword, content is equal to HTML. Here keyword is HTML. A web document can include one or more meta tag depending on information. Means depending on your requirement, you have to use the meta tag in document, in web document. Okay. Then in general, it does not affect physical appearance if web page. Means meta tag is not effect on the physical appearance. Means how your web page is looking, what web page is looking, what is the color you have to set for web page, like that. Means he affect only means it does not affect physical appearance. Okay. Next, the meta tag is used by web browser, search engine and other web services. You know that meta tag is used for to search the information. Okay, the meta tag is used by search engine to search the information that is provided with the web page. Okay, you know, Google search is used to search the information. The meta tag have information. Some people are there to search the information. Consider one example. Suppose I want to search the keyword information, technology. Okay, suppose I want the keyword to search keyword information technology. When I write the information technology in Google search, the Google go in meta, the Google go in meta and fetch the details where the information technology word is there, and then he show the output according to there. Okay, so meta tag help in searching. Next, here we see attributes of meta tag. Okay, in attributes of meta tag there are 4 attributes: name, content, character set, char set, and http equi. First, in name attribute there are 3 values you have to give: author, description, keyword. If you set the meta name is equal to author, then it means what it means? Then it means that the name of the metadata is author. Okay, if you set meta name is equal to description, then the name of the meta data is description. If you set meta name is equal to keyword, then the name of metadata is keyword. Like that you have to use that attributes in meta tag. Okay, next attribute is content. Content here, see, one example is given. If you set meta name is equal to author, if you set meta name is equal to author, then here content is ls. Means what? Here content of author is ls. If you see here, if you set meta name is equal to description, if you set meta name is equal to description, then content is, you have to set advanced web designing. Okay, means content of description is advanced web designing. Like that you have to use the values or that content. Okay, next is char set. Char set, here 2 char sets values are given: UTF-8 and Big5. See here, one example is given: meta char set UTF-8. UTF-8 is for Indian character and Big5 is for Chinese character. Okay, means here see, it is used to specify the character encoding used by the document. This is called a character encoding declaration. For other country, means for America, it is different symbol. Again for China, it is here's Chinese character, means for China here Big5 symbol is provided. Again for India it is UTF-8. Okay, then next attribute is http equi. See here, http, in http equi values are refresh, set cookie, expires. Okay, here see, one example is given: meta http equi is equal to refresh and content is equal to 5. Means that it is used for HTTP response message headers. Here the page will get refresh after every 5 seconds automatically. Okay, means here the page will get refresh after every 5 seconds automatically. You don't need to refresh it. If you set, see here, in HTTP equi, if you set meta HTTP equi is equal to set cookies, then means what? The browser sends the cookies back to the server. Again, next value we see here, content type and expires. Okay, content type and expires here. Expires here. Meta HTTP content type, content is equal to text or HTML, means which type of content is you set in content, text or HTML. Char set here big 5. Okay, big 5 means what? It specifies the character encoding. Here it specifies the character encoding. Then next is meta HTTP equi is equal to expires. Content is user ID PQR, expires Wednesday 8 February 2018 and timing is given here. Means that here page session will get expires at the given time. Means whatever date and time is given here. See here, date and time given here. On that time that page will get expire. Okay, this is all about the meta tag. Now we see the one example of meta tag. See here, HTML. Here see, HTML tag is used and this is end of HTML, means here this is end of HTML. Okay, in HTML there are two parts. We see there are two parts, head part and body part. Okay, in body part there is only one line coding, one line sentence is right. Okay, in by using the paragraph tag. Okay, but in header section there is so many coding is available on page. See here, head, title, in title meta tag example end of title. Okay, we know meta tag is placed between the head and end of head tag. Okay, meta tag will not be displayed on the web page, means whatever you write in meta tag, that information will not be displayed on the web page or browser. Okay, that information only for the web server or web browser. First is meta name is equal to author. Here meta name is equal to author. In author content is equal to Bal Bharti, means here author is Bal Bharti. Okay, here author is Bal Bharti. Then next is meta name is equal to description and content is equal to advanced web designing. Means what? Means the content of the description is advanced web designing. Meta name is equal to keywords. Content is HTML5, learn HTML5, list in HTML5. Means the content of keyword is HTML5, learn HTML5, list in HTML5. Next is meta name is equal to copyright. Content is equal to copyright Bal Bharti, all right reserved. Copyright means whom you have to give the authority. Means here copyright content is copyright Bal Bharti, all right reserved. Okay, this, and next is end of head tag. After end of head tag, in body part there is one paragraph tag we have to use here. See, in paragraph tag one sentence is there, welcome to HTML5, then end of paragraph, then end of body, end of HTML. Now we have to see the output of that program. Okay, this is the output of meta tag program. Okay, we know that meta tag is not provide information, it provides the information about only web page. Okay, so this is the output for you. Is in body part, I provide here one sentence, that only sentence will be display on the browser. In heading part, not display on the browser. Okay, this is all about meta tag.